If your best friend asked you to bring a chocolate souffle to a party, and only a chocolate souffle, and not only did you not bake, but you have no idea how to make a chocolate souffle, you'd be a little bit scared and a little bit lost, right? A little intimidated. Well, I'm guessing that if you had a top chef standing next to you, helping you make this with an amazing recipe, you'd be pretty excited. It's similar to having a financial coach by your side. I know, metaphor, stay with me here. And if you had a financial coach helping you with your finances, whether it's understanding investing, understanding credit, understanding just getting your house in order, it's a great way to set yourself up for success and have a lot more peace, and the end result being much better than just Googling everything and trying to figure out the best recipe, if you will. I hope that helped. Silly metaphor, but oh well. Anyways, visit mindinghermoney.com, download the roadmap, and watch a short training, and hope it helps. Okay, bye for now.